Hello, let's solve the differential equation. Sorry, it's question dy by dx equal to y into sine of cos inverse x to cos of sine inverse x by 1 plus x square whole square. Now y of 0 is 1. This is the initial condition which is given. So let's start this. Now as you can see, you can bring this y on the left hand side, and this will be sine of cos inverse x into cos of sine inverse x by 1 plus x square whole square. Fine. Now just integrate it. So this dx side, dy by y, and dx goes on the right hand side. Fine. That is, we are just integrating. Now integral dy by y is ln y is equal to this total function sine of cos inverse x cos of sine inverse x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. Now as you can see, there is in terms of sine, in sine there is cos inverse x, right? So to cancel cos inverse, let's consider x as sine theta, then dx becomes cos theta d theta. Fine. Now as you can see, I will do simplification here itself. Now you can see this cos of sine inverse x becomes, as x is sine theta, now this will be cos of sine inverse of sine theta, which is cos theta. Fine. The other part of the numerator is sine of cos inverse of x. Fine. This can be written as sine of cos inverse of x is sine theta, right? To get cancelled with cos inverse, you can write sine theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta, right? Cos pi by 2 minus theta is sine theta. Fine. Now this cos will go, this, then this becomes sine of pi by 2 minus theta, which is cos theta. Fine. Now the integration becomes ln y equal to integral of sine of cos inverse x is cos theta, cos of sine inverse x is cos theta, which is cos square theta, by 1 plus x square is sine square theta whole square into dx is cos theta d theta. Fine. Now let's simplify this. This, as you can see in the denominator, it's in the terms of sine square, right? Now write it in the terms of sine square, the numerator 1 minus sine square theta by 1 plus sine square theta whole square cos theta d theta. Now as you can see, it's very easy. You can consider to make a guess. I mean, it's very easy to consider a guess. Let's consider t equal to sine theta. Fine. Now dt becomes cos theta d theta. Fine. Then this becomes ln y equal to integral of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole square cos theta d theta is dt. Fine. Now as you can see in the denominator, it's in the terms of 1 plus t square, right? Now let's try to write the numerator in terms of 1 plus t square. Then this is first write the denominator part. Now you can write this as 1 minus of t square, right? Write it as t square plus 1 minus 1 dt, right? As you can see, there is a t square plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled and you will get 1 minus t square as it is. So now this can be simplified as, you can write this as 1 plus t square whole square dt. Now this becomes, as you can see, this 1 minus of minus 1, which is plus 1, which is 2 minus of t square plus 1. Fine. Now this ln y is 2 times of dt by 1 plus t square whole square minus of integral of t square plus 1 by t square plus 1 whole square dt. Fine. One of these terms will get cancelled. Now you are left with 2 into dt by 1 plus t square whole square minus of, this is tan inverse t, right? Tan inverse t plus c. Right. Let's now, for this first integral, let's apply a trick here. 2 into, just write it down, this ln y equal to 2 into integral of, now this can be written as minus 1 by 2t into minus 2t, right? Then you will get 1, there is no change, by 1 plus t square whole square dt minus tan inverse t plus c. Fine. Then this can be written as 2 into integral of minus 1 by 2t into d of 1 by 1 plus t square. Fine. As you can see, if you differentiate d of 1 by 1 plus t square is, denominator part will be 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square into 0 minus 1 into 2t, right? Then it becomes minus 2t. Fine. You can write it like that, minus tan inverse t plus c. Fine. Now this is in the form of integral u v dash, which is uv minus integral of u dash v. Fine. And this is ln y equal to 2 into uv, right, minus 1 by 2t into 1 plus 2 square. Fine. Then minus of u dash v. V is 1 by 1 plus t square, and that is minus 1 by 2, it's a constant, right? Then this becomes plus 1 by 2 into v, u dash is 1 by t is minus 1 by t square dt. Fine. Then this is, first integral is done, and this is as it is, minus tan inverse t plus c. Fine. Then ln y is, if you multiply 2 with the first term, then this becomes minus 1 by t into 1 plus t square. If you're getting confused, just write minus 1 by t into 1 plus t square. This is 2 will get cancelled, right? 2 will get cancelled. Then this minus becomes this by t square into 1 plus t square dt. Fine. It's correct, right? 2 will get cancelled and minus comes here and t square dt. Fine. Minus tan inverse t plus c. As you can see here, the numerator is 1, right? So if you wanted to relate the numerator and denominator, to get 1 here, you can do 1 plus t square minus t square. Fine. T square will get cancelled and you are left with 1. Fine. Your calculations will get easier. So now ln y is minus 1 by t into 1 plus t square. Fine. Now this becomes, as you can see, for the first term, 1 plus t square by t square into 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square will get cancelled, and integral of 1 by t square, which is minus 1 by t, minus minus will get plus 1 by t. Fine. Now this minus into minus become plus. T square will get cancelled, and integral of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t minus tan inverse t plus c. So these two terms will get cancelled, and you are left with 1 by t. If it can take common, this will be 1 minus of 1 by 1 plus t square. Then this is 1 by t into 1 plus t square minus 1 by 1 plus t square, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, and this 1t will go off. T by 1 plus t square, sorry, there is plus c, right? Plus c. T by t square plus 1 plus c. Fine. Ln y equal to t by t square plus 1 plus c. Now y is e power t by t square plus 1 into e power c. Fine. I mean, e power x into e power y equal to e power x plus y, right? I mean, we have just multiplied it. Now you can, this is just a constant. Let a power c equal to a, and this will be a into e power t by t square plus 1. Fine. In the beginning, we have considered t equal to sine theta, right? Then this becomes y equal to a into e power sine theta by 1 plus sine square theta. Fine. We have considered, so theta into x, we have considered sine theta equal to x, right? And this is y equal to a into e power x by 1 plus x square. Fine. Now the given initial condition is y of 0 is 1. Fine. That is y equal to a into e power 0 is 1. E power 0 is 1, that is a is 1. Now the general solution is y equal to e power x by 1 plus x square. This is the general solution.